I swear to God, I'm into 2 styles. And they ain't come out. Like, you can envision something and it don't come out how you want it to. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So you guys, I'm bringing you another hair video. And if you are wondering about this bulb, I do have a video about this bulb, this unit. And so I will leave the link down below or in the on this video somewhere where you can click on it. But today, you guys, I'm bringing you another affordable hair video slash tutorial how to install it. It is the premium Remi Touch. You guys, when I went to my beauty supply, my local beauty supply store, I was like, I want to try this little look I got in my little vision I got for this type of hair. And it was only $20, but originally it was $10. But you guys, I guess because of the coronavirus, that the beauty supply store just recently opened up, the one that I normally go to by my house, and they installed 2 packs in. So it's originally like, I guess like 10 something for 1 pack, and it completes everything. And it's called Cutie Curls, and it'll give you 4 pieces, 8-inch length, body twist with a free closure. And see how this looks. I tried this. I think I tried this style before by Milky Way, but I never tried this brand. And it says it's 100%. I don't think it's it say it's 100% human hair quality. So I have to use nothing but one, so I can keep another one just to make a unit if I want to. But I'm just gonna do a quick weave with this. She comes like this with 3 bundles and that closure. I'm probably not gonna use the closure. Well, I may use the closure because y'all gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So I may do need that, but they had like a lot of colors too. I even seen like a pretty purple, but I just want to try black to make it look more natural. So it's very pretty, like that baby doll curl style. And I got the color 1, if I didn't mention that. I got the color 1. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video. My hair is already washed because y'all, I did a style yesterday that I didn't like. And now it's already like washed and good. And also, you guys, I used to use this a long time ago, especially when I had my hair dyed. And I used to keep this in my head. It's the Jamaican castor oil by Mango and Lime. And when I tell y'all, it did like make my hair, my hair didn't fall out or nothing when I had that dye in my hair. And you guys know my hair is like very like fine and stuff. So yeah. So y'all, I'm just about to make it simple and just put a braid on my hair and put the cap on. Yeah. You want to make sure that it's completely dry. If you can feel any wet spots, is not completely dry. It is a protective way of how I do, because you kind of want it to be a little bit hard and make it so much easier for it to come off, and you ain't got to worry about trying to pull your hair out. It's just a way of how I do it and protecting my hair. If I don't have the freeze spray, I would just use the pump it up spritz or any type of spritz to make your base hard. Okay, so yeah, let's just get to glowing. Okay. Feeling about this look, y'all. I picked it up because I didn't like it down, so I just picked like the sides up a little bit. I gotta cut some more screens, but let me know what you guys think. I should never cut it. I should have left it kind of long, but it was like in my face. But I don't know, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Like something different I wanted to try, cause I don't know, I like my earrings to show and they weren't showing my earrings, but y'all, this is it, guys. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.